Hello everyone. So this is my Cricut Joy. I finally have my hands on this cute little machine. This is great for your DIY projects. Very aptly said, your DIY best friend. So today I'll show you what's exactly in this cute little box. So these are all the projects that you can make using your Cricut. You can insert cards, vinyls, and a lot of other popular materials. So it says we can use it for fun and functional projects, cuts popular materials perfectly, and it has a function to write and draw flawlessly. So now this comes with a small surface to put your mat on. Its standard mat is 5.5 by I think 4.5 by 6 inches, and then you can feed in as much as vinyl up to 2 feet I believe, and then there is also a larger mat that you can buy up to 12 inches. So what's included in this box? This box comes with a Joy machine, a blade and housing, a fine point pen, a standard grip mat that is like I mentioned, it is 4.5 by 6.5 inches, and there's a welcome card. A power adapter is there for to adjust all the fluctuations, and then you can have a 30-day free trial membership of Cricut Access, and then you can make up to 50 projects that are already there in the design space, and there's like a small vinyl and other practice materials that are given. Welcome to Upcycle. This is Mansa Priya here, and please check out all the videos. So what's in this box? Let's open it quickly and see what's inside this cute little Cricut Joy box. Oh, this cute little machine, and let's open it. I'm really excited to try this out. It's been a very long time wish for me to have my Cricut Joy. So the purpose that I'm going to use it is to cut small materials like vinyl and cardstock for my customizations that I do in a regular day job. So this is very compact, it just fits between your two hands, and these are the 4 legs that are there to put it on the base. That is where you feed the extra vinyl from the back, and just put that aside. So in this box it comes with a 2-pin plug. It's pretty lengthy for us to use, and also it also gives us a 3-pin plug just in case we have to use it elsewhere with a 3-pin plug, and there is a power adapter inside. We need to add this plug to the adapter and plug it into the machine. So this is the power adapter that comes in the machine. So we need to pin either the 2-pin plug or the 3-pin plug inside and add it to the machine. So the adapter plug gets into the machine at the back. So this is a Cricut Joy marker. It is I think 0.4 mm pen that is given along for us to draw beautiful patterns or whatever we feed into the design space. Now this Cricut Joy box also comes with a starter kit. It is nothing but a kit which ensures we start the machine at first. Not many materials are given in it. So let's open it and see what is inside this Cricut welcome kit. Okay, the 3 things, the most important things are the plugs and the adapter, and then it comes with a, let me quickly just put these aside and show you what's inside this welcome kit. So now make sure when you're buying it everything is sealed perfectly. So this is what it comes out with. The first thing is an instructions manual. It is given in different languages. So the first few pages tells us how to plug in, how to power on, how to load the machine, how to change the tools, and then it's all the important safety instructions are there within. So these are the basic things, and it is given in different languages in this booklet. So read this manual carefully before you start the machine. And this is little welcome note that says let's get started. It is compatible with any PC, phone or tablet. And then it tells us, it gives us a smart vinyl sample and a blade along with housing. There is this small insert card for us to cut the cardstock, and this silver vinyl that is given for us to get started. Now this welcome kit also comes with a standard grip mat. This is 4.5 inches by 6.5 inches mat. Now if you're having a larger projects, you can upgrade it, have a longer mat. I think there is a 4.5 inch by 12 inch mat also available in regular grip and standard grip mats. It also comes with instruction manual like I mentioned. So these are the things that are included inside the box that come along with the Cricut Joy. A lot of people have been asking or wondering what is inside, so I wanted to clearly show what's inside this Cricut Joy box so that you can have the expectation of what materials you would need to buy. So apart from this, I've ordered for my vinyls HTV, heat iron-on transfer, and so since I ordered it for Mother's Day, there was a little offer running. They gave us this starter toolkit absolutely free with the Cricut Joy machine. So this comes with a spatula, a weeder and a scraper. So these help us to use our, do our projects efficiently with the weeding, scraping and, spatula. So these are the things, and I hope this is informative to you guys. Please do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.